Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for home and decor business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you with your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or website type, home and decor. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. Now let's move on. If you want to skip, you can skip here. So now wait a few seconds preparing your dashboard. And here enter your store name, type any store name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. Now let's continue. What will you like to sell? Physical products and dropshipping products and services and digital products. Where would you like to say an online store and my mobile app and in person and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Here enter your information. If you wanna add logo, if you wanna change your business name, if you wanna change your email, if you wanna add address or your phone, and here if you wanna add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Now pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Now if you wanna add page to your site, wait a few seconds to prepare the homepage designs. Now your site is up and running, so if you wanna edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the list of your homepage settings. So click here, go add elements. So this is the list of your elements. The first element you have here, the text, the theme text. Here you can edit the form or the shape of the text. Also the titles, you can edit the form of the titles, and also the paragraphs. So let's move on now to the image. If you wanna import image, if you wanna upload image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustration, you can find them here. So let's move on to the buttons. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the document buttons, and the iTunes button. Here we find the payment buttons. You have to add some payment buttons on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here if you wanna add some classic or featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and theme. So you can edit, you can add any one of these on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, and the basic shapes, the rows and horizontal lines, vertical lines. Now let's move on to the picture art. Here you find featured icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. So now let's move on to the video elements. Here if you wanna add something like a video box or video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. If you want to add some themed boxes or container boxes or the hover boxes and the tabs. So let's move on to the galleries. If you want to add recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move to the menus and anchor. Here you find the themed menus and the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. You will find the in-page navigation if you want to add the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. You find all the forms you have to add on your homepage. You have here the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, and the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Here you find the Google Maps section if you want to add normal maps or the full width maps. Now let's move on to the chat. If you want to add something like a Wix chat button or like a line share button, that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you have the video and the music. If you want to add something like from the video section, like single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, and if you want to add something like from this music element like audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, or if you want to add something like from the interactive elements, if you want to add something from the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows, if you want to add something like from these light boxes, the welcome, subscribe, promotion, and contact. If you want to add something from the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs, or if you want to add something from the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So let's move on to the list. Here also you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters, and the blank repeaters. That's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add something from like the single video players, if you want to add something from the audio section, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, if you want to add something from the advanced elements like marketing tools and the evaluative mode, if you want to add something from the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social. If you want to add social bar, select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. If you want to add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share link, if you want to add your YouTube channel or something or Wix channel. So let's move on now to the next. Here you find the payment section. If you want to add payment forms, payment buttons or the payment forms, or if you want to add something from the pricing plans, if you want to add something from the store. So that's it. If you want to use the CMS, here you can easily manage your site content. So let's move on to the blog section. Here you can show your expertise and engage with your audience. Also here you can add anything from the store. You can add something from the bookings elements or from the related elements or the pricing plans. You can create and manage events here. You can manage your community section, and the last is your design. So that's it. And now let's move on to the next. If you want to add section, you can select any one of these. You can add it on your own page as you like. If you want to add pages and menus, here click here. So you can add page, click here. You can add any page you want. So let's move on to the next. If you want to design your site or customize your site design, so you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. You can add apps. If you want to manage your business, if you want to upload your media, so here you can edit images and videos. If you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and here if you want to manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing websites, all you have to do now is click publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. Now now your website is up. Now your website is published. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.